Before this project was put in place, that river up in the mountain was the main supply of water in this community. And it depended on where someone lives. Some people walked for 3 miles. We were the lucky family because we lived only a kilometer away from the river. But the river had many problems. In fact, it had a big cholera outbreak in this community. When the project came in that PONT supported, it really helped because we had to stop using that water. We connected on the cleaner springs, and those cleaner springs have been put in the big tank around there that supplies the community of over 8,000 people. And since this water was done, there is no cholera outbreak in this community. We thank the PONT organization for the good work they have done to help people in the Mooni community live healthy. Thank you very much. We enjoy your work here. God bless.